Let me ask you a question. Do you want to improve your observation skills? Yes, then keep watching this video.
Hey, this is Rajiv Kumar Love, the life skills coach, welcoming you to this video. Through my videos, I want to inspire you to improve your life and achieve your goals.
In this video, I want to give you some ways to improve your observation skills. Observation is a whole brain activity. It is about attention to detail, focus, analyzing, reasoning, and memory. Some of the benefits you get out of keen observation skills are you become more aware, you become smarter, your job performance improves, and relationships improve. It is a highly important skill, and the best part is it can be honed. Here are some ways you can do that. Here we go. Number 1. Meditate. When you can maintain a blank mind with no thoughts bothering you, this is the state when you get direct access to the cosmic energy. Reaching this state hones attention, gives you better focus, your mental processing becomes faster, and your memory becomes stronger. Number 2. Recall the day events. In the evening, when you are back from work, when you have freshened up, relax in a chair, close your eyes, and try to recall the day events. See all the details as they happened. Stay with the picture. Make them as real as you can. These exercises will make your memory stronger and help you in your observation skills. Number 3. Trial and error. Anything worth doing is worth doing poorly. Remember the time when you were trying to learn how to ride a cycle? Did you ride it the very first time you sat on it? I doubt. What happened? You fell. Your takeoff and landings were pretty awful. But when you kept working at it, suddenly you got it. You can feel it. It's so smooth. It's effortless. And the thrill you get is out of the world. Observation skills too may be bad initially, but as we keep working at it, we get better and better. Take any skill. When you first start, you are clumsy, awkward, not sure of yourself, but as you keep at it, you master it. Number 4. Observe people. Let's say you want to become a dancer. The fastest way to become one is to observe other dancers, the way they use their body, their feet, their facial expressions, their energy. And you can develop any skill faster by observing people when they are doing it, whether it is cooking, operating a machine, driving a car, writing a code, using a software, or making a video like this. In NLP lingo, it is called modeling. Number 5. Test your observation skills. Walk into a room and observe everything, and then walk out of the room, and then take a pen and paper and note people, faces, clothes, and objects. The more things you are able to recall means you have better attention, better focus, your mental processing is faster, and your memory muscle is stronger. You will be in more demand if your observation skills are sharper. So use your observation skills to observe people, customers, situations, problems, products, pitfalls, services, team members, and developments in technology. I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting more cool videos like this.
So thanks for watching this video. This is Rajiv Kumar Love, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video because I love making videos for you. So see you again in my next video. Until then, take care.